Hello sellers! Selling on Amazon seems easy until you try it yourself. From product research to listing items and getting sales with reputation, that's a long journey. And obviously, it's not an easy path to cover all alone. This is Mortuza and welcome back to Ecomclips. Many sellers face difficulties regarding getting things done on Amazon in time and in a proper way. Many of you may not be well experienced with Amazon or can't hire a physical assistant due to high wages and other demands. But that's not a problem anymore. You can easily hire a virtual assistant or a VA to manage each and everything of your business at an unimaginable cheap price, but with top-notch services. The only thing you need to do is to find the best virtual assistant who can offer you what you need and fulfill all your demands based on your budget. Honestly speaking, virtual assistants do really great for any businesses, especially when you need to manage multiple tasks at a time. Speaking of it, let me give you our examples. Here at Ecomclips, we are a team of 300 members virtually helping hundreds of projects successfully. To be very honest, without our support, all of these businesses could not reach the stage they are in right now. Today, I am going to share with you what we do as Amazon virtual assistant for our clients to manage their businesses successfully. So let's get started. First, product research and sourcing. At first, finding a niche. We help our clients to find their real niche ideas with good profit margins that will be applicable for all sectors. Then, competitor analysis. You need to understand exactly what your competitors are doing in order to go ahead, like how they are pricing their products, where they are sourcing from, what the quality of their products is like, how they market their products, what's in their listing content, and so on. Next, product sourcing. Not every seller manufactures their own products. Therefore, it is a need to rely on a trusted and public acclaimed source for getting products. The source can be a manufacturer, a wholesaler, or dropshipping company. With proper product research, we can give you the insights of the marketplace trends, customer preferences, and future prospect analysis. Now, product listing and inventory management. If you are an individual seller or a professional seller selling products on Amazon Seller Central to end customers, or a massive manufacturer supplying directly to Amazon via Vendor Central, we can assist you to manage your items listed on any kind of Amazon Centrals. We can help you create Amazon listings and products by assembling and manipulating all the final products data content, including product description, images, videos, etc. We also do catalog listing creation or add product under Amazon existing listing for the retailers. Besides listing on Amazon, we used to take care of inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer services. We use popular third-party softwares like Lenoir, Ecomdash, Channel Advisor, Sellbrite, and many more. We also take care of FBA inventory management, inventory planning, FBA shipment, and all other FBA works. Now, Amazon SEO and graphics. For Amazon optimization, our Amazon optimization experts at Ecomclips will implement a performance-driven strategy that will beat your competitors. They will optimize your items to get your items ranked organically on Amazon search result page. Here we have our specialized graphics team. They create high-quality images and videos for Amazon listing and A+ content. We consider creating different types of images such as main image, feature image, infographic image, lifestyle image, size dimension image, and many more. We also create Amazon Premium A+ content. If you have a brand registry, we'll help you create an amazing brand store. Our experts and designers will create a top-notch design for your store. Now we have launched our products on Amazon, we must do PPC or advertisement. We have our specialized PPC or sponsor ad teams. PPC and ads are digital marketing methods for building brand awareness and boosting sales. Our specialized PPC team will design and create ads based on your requirements, publish them, and monitor their performances on Amazon. They will assist you with run the promotion, setting up ad campaigns, keyword research, keep your ACOS less, control the spend, and increase sales. Besides all these tasks, we can fix any kind of issues of your Amazon Seller Central account, like search suppressed issues, product detail page removal issues, child safety removal issues, dangerous goods issues, and many more. We used to deal with all kinds of issues and make the items active. In some cases, we may need to contact Amazon. We can create tickets and directly call to Amazon to fix our problems. Also, we can deal with any kind of critical situations regarding payments or account suspension. That's it. Our experienced Amazon virtual assistant from Ecomclips can help you ensure your accurate inventory management and shipments, fast order fulfillment, timely returns and refunds, Amazon-friendly product listings, personable customer service, and so on. So if you are doing everything but still feel like your growth is slow, then it's time to hire a virtual assistant from Ecomclips. Having a virtual assistant for Amazon from Ecomclips will lead to improved efficiency, reduced labor costs, increased flexibility around your schedule, and enhanced service quality. To sum up, you will get a complete management of your Amazon Seller Central and related tasks. That's it. For more information, please visit our website www.ecomclips.com. You can contact us via email info@ecomclips.com. Our expert virtual assistant of Ecomclips will surely help you grow your Amazon business. That's all for today. If you do like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to help others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. Thank you.